In this section, we are going to study subtraction using calculation on paper, subtracting a first decimal from the second decimal. Put each digit into the right place when you use calculation on paper. The second decimal of 6.3 is 0, so write 3 and 0 like this. Write the other digit same way. Next, use a ruler when you underline like this. First, calculate the second decimal place. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Write 3 to the second decimal place. Next, calculate the first decimal place. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Write 1 to the first decimal place. Next, calculate the ones place. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Write 1 to the ones place. Next, calculate the tens place. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Write 2 to the tens place. Next, lower the decimal point below like this. Lastly, write the answer to the subtraction. That's all. Now we are going to practice. Press the pause button and let's try. When you finish, press the play button and check your answer. Then check your answer. Number 1, 56.77 minus 3.5. The answer is 53.27. Number 2, 89.24 minus 8.1. This is the same way as number 1. The answer is 81.14. Did you get the right answers to the both questions? Finally, we are going to review what we learned today. First, put each digit into the right place. Next, use a ruler when you underline. First, calculate the second decimal. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Write 3 to the second decimal place. Next, calculate the first decimal. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Write 2 to the first decimal place. Next, calculate the ones. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Write 2 to the ones place. Next, calculate the tens. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Write 3 to the tens place. Next, lower the decimal point below like this. Lastly, write the answer to the subtraction. That's all for today's lesson.